In this video, we will populate an array and then we will write a loop where we will find the highest and the lowest scores in that array, right? So this small and simple example. So it's finding highest and lowest score in an array, right? So pound include a string in the main. So here what we'll do is we will create a size variable, so constant size equal 10. And we'll create an array called int scores, and the size declarator would have the constant size. Okay? And then we can initialize the array with the scores. So we can create some scores, so 89, 78, 90, 60, 54, 99, 88, 76. So that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, say 92 and 70. So we created this array called scores, size equal to 10, constant size holds 10, and we have populated the array with 10 values of scores. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will create two variables, int highest and lowest. Now what happens is when we want to find the highest and the lowest in an array, we initialize both to the first element of the array. So we can set int highest equal to scores of first element is scores of 0. And the same thing we can do to the lowest equals scores of 0, right? So simple principle is then when you need to find out what is the highest and the lowest value in an array, we set both the variables highest and lowest both to the first element of the array. The rest of the logic is the same as you previously worked in other examples, right? So now we can start a for loop here. For int I equals 0, I less than size I plus plus. Logic is pretty simple. If scores of I is greater than highest equal to scores of I, right? We have used this logic many times before, so this will give us the highest value. And for the lowest, it would be if scores of I is less than lowest equals scores of I. Right, so two if statements within the for loop will give us the highest and lowest. Then once we're outside the loop, we can create cout statements. Cout the highest score is highest and the lowest score is lowest. And that's all we have to do. Right, so pretty simple logic. If you have an array which already has values, and you want to find the highest and the lowest, we set both the highest and the lowest to the first element of the array, meaning name of the array and index number 0. Because 0 means first element. Okay, so that's all there is. We can try and build this program. So we'll call it array high low.cpp. So program compiles and it tells us that the highest score is 99 and the lowest score is 54, which is correct.